Unboxing a nail polish advent calendar. This one is by Essie and we have 24 surprises. It is a huge candy cane. I can't even show it to you. And it smells like gingerbread. Door number 1. Ooh, this advent calendar is heavy. Maybe a light pink one. This is the shade Tuck It in My Tucks. This is a full size. You can use this for a French nail manicure, also all over the nails if you like the color. Door number 2 now. Ooh, oh. I have tried this again. It is the nail lacquer in the shade Strong Stars. Actually, this is a top coat, and you can see that this is not the full size, but you can use it for many months, maybe half a year.
Speaking from experience.
Moving on to day number 3. So it says win me over. Ooh, it's pretty. I don't have something similar. It goes with my eye color. I really like it. You can wear this all year. Here we have door number 4. Ooh. I'm curious what is this color. This one is in the shade Ladylike. This one is great if you don't want a very bright color on your nails. I also like a lot the brush on these nail polishes. This is also not the full size. Door number 5 next. Around the bend. Let's see the color. It is a light pink nail color, but also a little bit more vibrant, so it's gonna be noticeable on the nails. I really like it, and it's gonna look very nice on a lot of skin tones. Shake, 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 shake. Door number 6. Most probably this one is gonna be a clear. This one is the Gel Couture in clear, but it is a matte top coat. The packaging is super cute. It is a full size. Let's continue with door number 7. It says licorice, and ooh, it's so cute. I really like this color. It can also go very well with the nail colors that we got so far. Nice. Let's go to door number 8. A full size nail color. Nail polish. It's not a nail polish. And this is the Good As Gone Clarifying Nail Polish Remover. It is a mini. I also have the full size. The mini is great for traveling though. And moving on to door number 9 now. Oh, it's gonna be something blue. Ripple Reflect. It is absolutely gorgeous. It is a light cerulean blue color. It can also look very nice on a lot of different complexions. Hearts everywhere. This is door number 10. Maybe similar to my nail color. Let's see. Ta-da! And this is in the shade Wicked. It is a very dark red wine color. Super gorgeous. I'm hoping that we can get a corally shade and also something with purple. And door number 11. And this one is a top coat in Stay Longer. And it is a glossy one. Door 12. This is gonna be a full size. Ooh, and the color is super cute. It is even prettier in person. So this one is in the shade Pencil Me In.
Pencil Me In.
That's a riddle. We have a beautiful nude magenta shade. Absolutely gorgeous for the summer. I love it. Door number 13 now. It looks like a yellow orangey one. Ta-da! I don't have something similar. And this is in the shade Check Your Baggage. Why is it yellow? This can look very nice with the blue one and the olive green one. Cool. Following that, door number 14. Let's see if we have that corally that I want. No, but ooh, it's the purpley. And this is the color Suits You Swell. What do they mean? And I really like that I can also use it with other nail polishes. So far, this is my favorite color of the advent calendar. Let's see if it is going to keep the first place. Up next, door 15.
What is this?
This one is the apricot nail and cuticle oil. We also had this in a previous Essie advent calendar. I never use it.
Never ever.
Oh, it smells so nice. This goes to my sister. Next, door 16. Ooh, cute. And this is in the shade Bikini So Teeny. it has glitter. Very, very curious about this. On the swatches, you don't see so much the glitter. And door 17, it says gossip and spill. I think it's gonna be a full size. So pretty. It is a very unique shade. We have this shimmery finish. It is so unique. I don't have something similar. Hearts again. Let's find now door 18. So this is gonna be a very light shade. It is in the shade Fairy Tailor and it is pretty much a very light pink shade to create the French nail manicure. Super elegant. Door 19. Let's see the color. Ooh, it is orangey. So this is in the shade Frilly Lilies. Of course, you can use it with the yellow that we have. Maybe the olive. Yeah, why not? Then let's go to door number 20. I'm very curious to see what we have. It's glittery. And this is in the shade S'il vous plaît. It is mesmerizing. It goes very well with my number 1, but I think it's not going to dethrone it. Moving on to box number 21. It is going to be a mini. I'm right. And what is this? Hard to resist advanced. And door 22. I'm hoping that we can have more colors instead of clear products, even though the clear products are also useful. Ooh, that's pretty. And this is in the shade of Tropic. Okay. It is a gorgeous forest green nail color. The color story so far is super fantastic. Up next, door 23. And it looks like a red one, maybe orangey. And this is in the shade Fifth Avenue. It's gonna look fantastic for summer nails. I always like using this in the summer. It is one of my must-haves. Nice one. And door 24 feels like a full size. Whoop. It is hello. Hello! And this is the Expressi Quick Dry Effect Filter in the shade Iced Out Filter. This shade is absolutely magical. It can transform your nail colors. I'm very happy that they have included this in the advent calendar. We have a very nice selection of colors and my favorite is the Suits You Swell. I'm gonna give this advent calendar 5 stars. I think it is a very good one. You can also watch this video here. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye!